Hi! So, you have these Superlux budget killer headphones, but unfortunately the cable is damaged and your headphones no longer produce sound? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to fix them. Even better, not just fix them, but upgrade them by making a stronger, removable cable solution. To do this, you'll need a new cable with 3.5mm jacks on both ends, or you can watch my previous video where I show how to change a 3.5mm jack on an old cable. You'll also need a 3.5mm socket. There are different types available, but a 4-pole socket is the strongest option. Links to all the parts are in the video description. The first step is to carefully open the plastic cover. It's held in place by 2 pins. Then unscrew the protective cover underneath, where all the wires are located. Next, bend the socket pins slightly so they take up less space, because there is very little room inside the Superlux HD669 headphones for a new socket. After that, protect the internal wires with tape, because now we need to drill a hole for the socket. This socket has a 7mm diameter. Find the correct drill size and carefully enlarge the hole without damaging the internal wires or the plastic. Check if the socket fits properly in the new hole. If necessary, make the hole slightly bigger. Then move the wires so they don't interfere with the socket. Tape the headphone housing to protect it from glue, and also remove the ear pads. Next, take the 3.5mm cable and a multimeter and check which jack contact corresponds to which socket contact. Tin all the wires to make soldering easier, and also tin the socket contacts. This improves soldering quality. In my case, as you can see, the common ground for both channels is the gold-colored wire. The red wire is the right channel positive because it goes to the other side, and the blue wire is the left channel positive. Start by soldering the gold ground wire. Since this is a 4-pole socket and there is no microphone, solder the ground and mic pins together. Next, solder the red wire for the right channel positive, and finally the blue wire for the left channel positive. Now insulate the contacts so they don't create a short circuit. Then try to find the best possible position for the socket and check if the cover can still be put back in place. If the socket fits well in its new position, apply superglue at the points where the socket touches the headphone housing and glue it in place. Then add glue to the socket area. Now you can see why it's better to use tape to protect the headphones. I used a bit too much glue. Also apply some glue to the edges of the housing for better fixation. Close the cover, screw it back in place, and hold it firmly. Because I was holding the headphones at an angle, some glue leaked out and made a bit of a mess. Learn from my mistakes. Once the glue has fully hardened, connect the headphones and test the left and right channels. A link to a test video is in the description. Put the ear pad cushions back on, and that's it. Congratulations! Your Superlux headphones are now repaired and upgraded. You can use them with any 3.5mm cable without worrying about breaking the cable again. I hope this helps you fix your headphones, and good luck!